Okay, dear students, let's come to our homework of the previous class. The first question: do you know that a paragraph normally contains a topic sentence in it? I think I have told you about what is a topic sentence in the previous class. ഒരു ടോപ്പിക് സെന്റൻസ് എന്താണെന്ന് കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പറഞ്ഞു തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. It is general in nature and can be anywhere in the paragraph. The other sentences in the paragraph support, prove, give examples, and present additional information on the sentence. So, identify the topic sentence in the first paragraph. Yes, what's the topic sentence in the first paragraph? Making films with animals. How many examples are given to support the topic sentence? What are they? 2 examples are given, and they are: one is the example of an Alsatian called Rin Tin Tin, and the other one is of a collie called Lizzie. Next question: does the second paragraph introduce a new topic sentence? If not, what supporting details about the animal actors of Hollywood do you get from this paragraph? The second paragraph does not introduce a new topic sentence. So what supporting details do you get from the second paragraph? The animal actors of Hollywood have stand-ins. Okay, the next question. What additional information do you get about stand-ins? A stand-in is a person who is physically similar to the real star. Next one. What is the puzzling incident described in paragraph 3? When the cameraman asked everyone to take their position, the dog remained where it was. Next one. Which incident shows that the animal actors in Hollywood were treated with reverence? Even the animal actors in Hollywood have stand-ins. Okay, dear students, let's come to our lesson, the Project Tiger. In the last class, we saw how animal actors are treated with respect in Hollywood. Okay, now let's continue. Every animal in Hollywood is well trained. It is not difficult to train a horse or a dog. But have you ever heard of trained ravens? Not just 1 or 2, but nearly 100 of them. Even this was made possible in Hollywood when the creator of some of the best suspense films in the history of cinema, Alfred Hitchcock, decided to make a film called Boots. Every animal in Hollywood is well trained. The animals which come in Hollywood are well trained animals. It is not difficult to train a horse or a dog. To train a horse or a dog is not a difficult job. But have you ever heard of trained ravens? ഒരു കുതിരയെയോ ഒരു നായനെയോ ട്രെയിൻ ചെയ്തെടുക്കുക, ഇറ്റ്സ് എൻ ഈസി ജോബ്. ഇറ്റ്സ് നോട്ട് സോ ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ട്. ബട്ട് ഹാവ് യു ഹേർഡ് ഓഫ് ട്രെയിൻഡ് റാവൻസ്? സോ വാട്ട് ഈസ് എ റാവൻ? ദിസ് ഈസ് എ റാവൻ, കാക്ക. So have you heard of trained ravens? Not just 1 or 2, but nearly 100 of them. ഒന്നോ രണ്ടോ പോരാ. How much trained ravens were required? Nearly hundreds of them. Even this was made possible in Hollywood. In Hollywood, even this was made possible when the creator of some of the best suspense films in the history of cinema, Alfred Hitchcock, decided to make a film called Boots. So Alfred Hitchcock, he is the director of the best suspense films in the history of cinema. So he made possible trained ravens. Alfred Hitchcock decided to make a film called Birds. So Alfred Hitchcock had decided to make a film called Birds. In the story, birds from all over the world start attacking humans. So in this story, in this film, ഈ സിനിമയിൽ what is the theme? അതിന്റെ ആശയം എന്താണ്? Birds from all over the world start attacking humans. The birds, they start attacking humans. പക്ഷികൾ മനുഷ്യരെ ആക്രമിക്കുകയാണ്. Hitchcock needed a variety of birds. So he needed a variety, a number of birds. But what was required in largest number was ravens. But what he wanted the most was ravens. പക്ഷെ എന്തായിരുന്നു ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ വേണ്ടത്? He wanted ravens. Notices were placed in the press all over the United States asking people to contact the filmmaker if they knew how to get hold of trained ravens. So notices, advertisements were placed all over the United States asking people to contact the filmmaker if they knew how to get hold of trained ravens. So what was in the advertisement? Asking people to contact the filmmaker if they knew how to get hold of trained ravens. ട്രെയിൻ ചെയ്യപ്പെട്ട കാക്കകൾ കിട്ടാൻ എന്താണ് വഴിയെന്ന് അറിയാമെങ്കിൽ they should contact the film director, that is Alfred Hitchcock. Someone replied within a few days. So someone replied very fast. He was asked to bring his birds. And he arrived with almost 100 trained ravens. So, when someone replied within a few days that he has caught the trained ravens, he was told to bring the birds. And he arrived with almost 100 trained ravens. And he came with 100 trained crows. Admittedly, their training had not gone very bad. The training was okay. It was not bad. മോശമില്ലായിരുന്നു training. That is to say, they could not do anything that might be seen as extraordinary. Something is extraordinary. Something not common. അസാധാരണമായി ഒന്നും ചെയ്യാൻ അവർക്ക് കഴിയില്ല. But if as many as 50 ravens are told to perch quietly in a row on a specified spot, and if they obey this command instantly, isn't that pretty impressive? So, but if as many as 50 ravens are told to perch, what is perching? Sit in a row, variety vanirikya, on a specified spot, on a particular spot, and if they obey this command instantly, quickly, pattern, and if they obey this command very fast, isn't it very impressive? Isn't it good? So that was the test given to check the birds, and they did it quite well. Just to say, in our country, it is not at all easy to find trained animals, though some films have been made in Bombay and Madras that involved working with elephants, horses, and tigers. Their performance did suggest that they were used to obeying commands. In Bengal, it's sometimes possible to find clever dogs, particularly police dogs, which are quite intelligent. So needless to say, in our own country, it is not at all easy to find trained animals. So, in our country, that is India, it is very difficult to find trained animals. Satyajit Ray is talking about a time when he was making films, not the present condition. ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ ഒരു അവസ്ഥയല്ല സത്യജിത് റേ നമ്മുടെ മുന്നിലേക്ക് വെക്കുന്നത്. Although some films have been made in Bombay and Madras that involved working with elephants, horses, and tigers. And some films were made in Bombay, Madras. Bombay and Madras are the old names of Mumbai and Chennai. So some films have been made in Mumbai and Chennai that involved working with elephants, horses, and tigers. And in the films made in Bombay and Madras, there were elephants, horses, and tigers. Their performance did suggest that they were used to obeying commands. Their performance in the film, what did it show? They were used to obeying commands. അവരെ അഭിനയം കണ്ട എന്താ മനസ്സിലാവുക? They are very good in obeying commands. In Bengal, it's sometimes possible to find clever dogs. So in Bengal, you can find clever dogs, particularly police dogs, which are quite intelligent. So you can find dogs, police dogs, which are intelligent. And if one is prepared to be patient means one who has the ability to wait and do things, it is not altogether impossible to get good performances out of them, as we managed to do with Bhulu in Pather Panchali. So if one is prepared to be patient, Shamay Undengil, it's not altogether impossible, not impossible. So you find two negatives coming together. So two negatives coming together makes it positive. So it is possible to get good performance out of them. So you can get good performance out of these dogs as we managed to do with Bhulu. So we had done with a dog called Bhulu in our film Pather Panchali, and that dog is a police dog. Now let's come to some questions and answers. The first one, what did Hitchcock want? 100 trained ravens. Next question, what was the scene Hitchcock wanted to shoot? A scene in which hundreds of ravens from all over the world start attacking humans. Next one, what did the films which involved working with elephants, horses, and tiger in Bombay and Madras show? They were used to obeying commands. Next one, who is Bhulu? Bhulu is the animal actor in Pather Panchali. Next one, according to Ray, how should the directors be if they wanted to get good performances from animal actors? Yes, they should have patience. And now let's come to the assignment. Question number 3, 4, and 5 of your textbook is a part of your assignment, along with write the likely conversation between the man who brought the ravens and Alfred Hitchcock when he reached the shooting location. So Alfred Hitchcock had given an advertisement in a newspaper regarding he wanted ravens. So a person came with ravens and Alfred Hitchcock had a conversation with him. പത്രത്തിൽ ആൽഫ്രഡ് ഹിച്ച്കോക്ക് ഒരു പരസ്യം കൊടുത്തു റാവനുകൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി. And a man came with the ravens. ഒരാൾ റാവനും കൊണ്ടുവന്നു. So he had a conversation, സംഭാഷണം, with the man who brought the ravens. That's your homework. Okay, dear children, thank you and have a nice day.